Hi guys, it's Crystal-Tiya back with another video. If you want to know how I created this cute little half cut crease gold eyeshadow look, then I suggest you carry on watching the video. If you haven't subscribed already, then please click that subscribe button because then you're just a real G. But let's just get into the video. So first I'll be going in with some tape and just putting that on both corners of each eye, so once I've done it gives it a nice clean sharper look. I'll then be going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee as a base for my eyeshadow, and I'll just blend it out with a flat brush, and then after I'll use my finger just to make sure it's all nicely smoothed out. Now using the MORPHE 35O palette, I'm going to use that light brown and just blend it above my crease, just as my transition colour. Then going in with a slightly darker shade to the first, I'll be putting it straight onto the top of my first colour that I put on, just to darken it out a little bit. And after that, I'll be using the orange and putting that right into the crease. After using the orange, I'm going to go in with a darker browny orange and just put that on the outer corners of my crease, just to give it a deeper colour and to start creating that smoky eye effect. With the dark brown, I'm going to put that straight into the crease, blending it out to the outer corners of my eye, so till I get it to the desired darkness that I want it to be. Taking the orange from the JUVIA'S palette, I'm going to put that on top, just to intense the first colour. And then I'll just go back into the first colour just to blend that orange just a little bit more, so it's nice and seamless. After doing that, I'll be going with the LA Girl Pro Concealer again in the shade Toffee, just to cut the crease. If you don't get this bit perfect, it's okay, because you will cover up the line anyway with your eyeshadow and once you've put the glitter on. So I'm just going to go in with a nice shimmery gold colour and just put that straight on top of where I put the concealer. Packing it on to both eyes. Once done that, I'm going to take the Collection eyeliner glitter and I'm going to put that straight onto my cut crease, so it looks nice and sharp and the edges don't really look so jagged, I should say. I'm going to just take some loose glitter just to add on to that glitter that I've already done, just so it, you know, can sparkle a little. Just went back in with the shimmery colour again, just to make sure there's no patchiness. Then going in with that dark brown from the JUVIA'S palette and just deepening that smoky eye and the browns more, making sure it's blended out. Using the Collection eyeliner, I'm just going to try and create a winged eyeliner, which I don't think I should have done, to be fair, but hey ho. over there. What the fuck is wrong with you? How much motherfucking times am I gonna make this intro? If I get mad, when I know how to be a little cluish on yeah, let's get to. Oh, I'm recording all this time. Terrace, maybe no, right.